Gentlemen, the secret to you never having dirty shoes again is this. Hello gentlemen, Zane here. So, for example, let's say you just purchased some brand new, fresh white Nike Air Forces. You take them out of the box, and as much as you love the look of them, we both know that they are not going to be kept white and fresh like how you've taken them out of the box just now. They are going to get all dirty, scuffed and filthy after you have worn them in the outside world. It's pretty much inevitable that they will get dirty and ruined, unless you use a product such as this. Now, the first thing I like to get out of the way is that I have not been sponsored or endorsed by the manufacturer Scotchgard in any shape or form to be talking about or advertising their product. I am talking about and recommending Scotchgard based on my personal use, and it has been paid for out of my own wallet. So now that's all cleared up, please make sure you watch the video till the very end to find out why it's so important to keep on top of your shoe game. Now, this product, as well as other shoe protector spray brands that I have tried, which are Crep Protect and Punch. Out of those two shoe protector sprays, the one I'm recommending to you guys is the Scotchgard. This shoe protector is the best out of the sprays I have tried, and it really does protect your shoes for a long time without needing to respray the product constantly. I'll give you a very quick 4-step rundown of how you use this product. It's super easy, but before we get into these steps, please remember to check the label for all directions and instructions from the manufacturer, as it's super important that you follow them correctly, as I'm only giving you a quick rundown on what to do from a personal use perspective, gentlemen. Okay, step 1, make sure your shoes are clean and dry and that you are in a clean environment. Step 2, you're going to shake the can thoroughly and spray uniformly from side to side and then from top to bottom for each individual shoe 2 times evenly. Step 3, after you've sprayed each shoe 2 times, then you need to leave them to dry for 12 hours before you wear them. 12 hours? I know, unfortunately, you can't just spray them and go. So make sure you are not in a rush to get to that hot date. And anyway, you should never be late. You should be a man that's always on time, or 10 to 15 minutes early, no matter if it's business or pleasure. Step 4, 12 hours have passed by. Put on your fly footwear and have peace of mind knowing your shoes will stay looking awesome and fresh. Now you have the right tool for the job. Let me explain why it's important that you keep your footwear in pristine condition as much as you can. Having beat up, filthy looking footwear demonstrates and advertises you to be someone who is filthy, messy, doesn't care about their appearance, and will even repel people away from you. Is this really how you want to be perceived, men? I really hope you said hell no. Gentlemen, let's be honest. Would you stand next to or sit next to someone that has filthy shoes if you had the choice? I didn't think so, because let's face it, I sure wouldn't have wanted to either. Listen, we invest into our clothing as we want to conquer our lives in style. You need to protect your investment because you have spent your hard-earned money on purchasing those shoes. So you want to make sure you get the longest life out of them as possible. Because if you're not protecting them, then metaphorically, you're better off throwing your money into the fire because you've just effectively wasted it. Listen, I've had shoes that I have had for over 4 years, and I get people telling me things to this day like, "Wow, Zane, those are really nice shoes. Are they brand new?" I get these kind of compliments because I take care and I take pride in myself and my appearance. And I definitely want you gentlemen to get the same kind of positive feedback I get. Now go and make sure you take care of your shoe game today. Now, I've linked the Scotchgard Shoe Protector product in the description box below for you to check out. Just so you know, the link is my Amazon affiliates link. So all that means is I will obtain a fraction of the commission if you decide to purchase this product from Amazon. Okay guys, thank you so much gentlemen for taking the time and watching. I really do appreciate you. I hope you found value in my content to be informative and engaging. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to me. And as always, conquer your life in style. This is Zane signing off.